Think about that wonderful moment when your grandchildren burst through your front door. The house fills with laughter, and they immediately grab your hand to drag you into the backyard for a game of soccer or tag. You are thrilled and you run out there with them. But after just 5 short minutes, something terrifying happens. Your chest starts heaving, and you are gasping for air like you just ran a marathon. Your heart is pounding so hard you can hear it in your ears, and your legs feel like they're made of heavy lead. You have to stop and sit down on the patio chair while the kids look at you with disappointment and ask if you are already tired. It is a crushing feeling. You want to be the fun and energetic grandparent, but your body completely betrays you. Most people in their 60s and 70s assume this sudden loss of breath and energy is just a normal part of getting older. We tell ourselves that our lungs are just aging and our stamina is naturally fading away. We accept that we are supposed to be tired. But the world-leading cardiologists and cellular biologists tell us a completely different story. According to breakthrough research from institutions like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School, this sudden exhaustion is rarely about the age of your lungs. It is actually about a catastrophic breakdown, how your body produces and manages cellular energy specifically inside your mitochondria and your blood vessels. Today we're going to look at 3 medical secrets that can completely rebuild your stamina and fix your hidden energy leaks. We want to make sure you can play outside for hours without ever having to gasp for air or sit out the best moments of their childhood. Let us dive into the first secret. Let us start with the first secret, which involves the hidden power plants inside your cells called mitochondria. When seniors feel tired before playing with their grandchildren, they often make a massive dietary mistake. They reach for a sugary cookie or a sweet cup of coffee, thinking it will give them a quick boost of energy. But clinical studies show that this refined sugar causes a rapid spike in your blood sugar, followed by a devastating crash. This crash leaves your mitochondria completely starved of real sustainable fuel. Your mitochondria are responsible for taking the food you eat and turning it into the energy that powers your muscles and lungs. As we age, these power plants become less efficient, but we make them worse by feeding them the wrong things. The golden rule from cellular biology is to fuel your mitochondria with specific compounds they actually need to thrive. One of the most critical elements is a coenzyme called CoQ10. This compound is the literal spark plug for your cells, but our natural levels drop significantly after the age of 50. Instead of relying on sugar, experts recommend incorporating foods rich in CoQ10 and healthy fats right before your grandchildren arrive. A small handful of pistachios paired with a piece of dark chocolate is an incredible combination. The pistachios provide the healthy fats and amino acids to stabilize your blood sugar, while the dark chocolate delivers potent antioxidants that protect your mitochondria from stress. By making this simple swap, you are providing your body with a slow and steady stream of high-quality fuel. This means when you are running across the lawn, your cells have the exact spark they need to keep you moving without crashing. Now we move to the second secret, which addresses why you feel completely out of breath so quickly. We call this the Nitric Oxide Breathing Hack. When you start running around with the kids, your heart rate naturally goes up. The natural instinct for most seniors is to start breathing heavily through their mouth. We think that opening our mouth wide is the best way to get more oxygen into our starving lungs. But according to respiratory studies from top institutions in the United States, mouth breathing during exertion is actually a dangerous trap that restricts blood flow. When you breathe through your mouth, you expel too much carbon dioxide too quickly. This actually makes it harder for your red blood cells to release oxygen to your muscles. But more importantly, mouth breathing completely bypasses your nasal passages. Your nose is not just an air filter. It is a chemical factory. When you breathe in through your nose, your body produces a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. This gas acts as a powerful vasodilator, which means it forces your blood vessels to open up and expand. When your blood vessels are wide open, your heart does not have to work nearly as hard to pump oxygen-rich blood to your legs and lungs. The solution is to consciously practice nasal breathing when you are playing. Close your mouth and focus on taking deep and controlled breaths through your nose, even when you are walking fast. It will feel unnatural at first, but within just a few minutes, that nitric oxide will flood your system. Your blood vessels will relax, your heart rate will stabilize, and that terrifying feeling of being out of breath will vanish. You are essentially giving your cardiovascular system a massive superhighway to deliver oxygen efficiently. The third and final secret is how you build long-term stamina without spending hours at the gym, and we call it the micro-burst capacity builder. Many seniors think that to improve their endurance, they need to start jogging or walking for miles every single day. But endurance research in gerontology proves that long and slow cardio is often not enough to prepare your heart for the sudden explosive movements required when playing with grandchildren. Kids do not jog slowly. They sprint, they stop, they jump, and they sprint again. Your heart needs to be trained to handle rapid changes in demand. You can achieve this safely through micro bursts of activity. You do not need any special equipment for this. When you are out for your normal daily walk, simply add 3 bursts of speed. Walk as fast as you comfortably can for just 20 seconds. It should feel like you are hurrying to catch a bus. After those 20 seconds, return to your normal slow walking pace until your breathing recovers. Repeat this just 3 times during your walk. These tiny 20-second bursts are completely manageable for the senior heart, but they send a massive signal to your cardiovascular system. They force your heart muscle to adapt to sudden stress, making it stronger and more resilient. Within just a few weeks of this micro-burst training, your baseline stamina will skyrocket. When your grandson suddenly kicks the soccer ball across the yard, your heart will be perfectly conditioned to handle that sudden sprint. By combining this training with nasal breathing and mitochondrial fuel, you are turning your body into an incredibly efficient and tireless machine. Your golden years should not be spent sitting on the sidelines, watching the people you love have all the fun. You deserve to be right there in the middle of the action, building memories that your grandchildren will cherish forever. By fueling your mitochondria and practicing nasal breathing and doing simple micro bursts, you can completely transform your energy levels. You will be the active and tireless grandparent they absolutely adore. Now we would love to hear from you. What is your absolute favorite game or activity to play with your grandchildren when they visit? Please share your wonderful stories in the comments below, because we love building a community of vibrant and energetic seniors. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more medical-backed lifestyle advice designed specifically to help you thrive. We are here to make sure your second act is filled with endless energy. Safe travels, and we will see you in the next video.